Okay, in this video we're going to show you how to connect your GoHighLevel account to Traleado via Zapier. You can also follow this procedure to connect any other system to Traleado to push your leads or work orders through into the Traleado system. So to start, you log into your Zapier account and simply click Create to create a new Zap. Once the editor opens up, you want to select your trigger. So you just click on the trigger icon here. Now, for this use case, for this demonstration, we're going to use GoHighLevel as the trigger. So for GoHighLevel, you want to use their lead connector. So we select lead connector. We want to trigger an event, which is when a pipeline stage is changed. Generally with a sub-account within GoHighLevel, there will be a point within the pipeline that you want to act as the trigger to push a lead once it's hit the GoHighLevel system into the Traleado system. Now, for the account, obviously you can connect your GoHighLevel account here. If it's the first time that you've done it, it will open up a window like this that will ask you to log into your GoHighLevel account to connect it. As is already connected here though, so we'll hit continue and move on to configure. So we just simply choose our pipeline that contains the stages, that contains the leads that we want to push from GoHighLevel into Traleado. And then we'll test that trigger and see that a record is created. This will either pull a record from your existing GoHighLevel account if there are records in there, or if there's not, if it's a new account and you're just getting it set up to run, it will create a record for you. So we select that and hit continue with that record. We then want to select Traleado. For the event here. So once we select Traleado, we want to choose the action event. In most cases, that's going to be create a new lead. In this use case, it will be create a new lead. We want to connect our account, much the same as earlier. If you haven't already connected your Traleado account, it will just ask you to log in. I'll use one of the test ones here. And continue. These are the fields that are reflected from the form within the Traleado account. So if we select our form here, now these forms, you can see I've got lots of different forms here from testing. We can just select one here. And then we'll select the data that we want to send from the GoHighLevel account into Traleado for the lead. For this demonstration purpose, we'll go just first name and we'll go email. And we'll go address. And select continue. And we can see all the data there. We can then test this step. You can see that the lead information was sent to Traleado 0 seconds ago. And now we can publish the Zap. So now that this Zap is published, anytime a lead hits the stage that I set in the pipeline that I set, it will push that lead data through into the Traleado system. Once the lead hits the Traleado system, our AI or created rules that you have configured will pick that lead up and assign it as it needs to be, whether that's to a user within your private network or if it's to be posted directly onto the marketplace for sale. And you can check out some of our other documentation on how to configure where a lead gets sent to once it enters the Traleado system.